Hello everyone, it's Gabby. So today I'll be sharing my Ayurvedic inspired do-it-yourself hibiscus deep conditioner recipe. If you're interested in replicating this recipe, all links will be in the description box below. So let's get into it. For my deep conditioner, I'm using the 3-Minute Miracle Curls Deep Conditioner by Ozzy. I pumped out 1 cup and added that to my mixing bowl. It provides amazing slip, leaves my hair cleansed, and it improves my moisture retention levels once I complete my moisturizing routine after. Next up is castor oil. This oil has a thicker consistency compared to other oils and is commonly used in many skin and hair care products. It's used in the natural hair community to promote healthy hair growth and to enhance the overall health of your hair. I'm adding in 2 tablespoons here. Now this oil is rich in essential vitamins, nourishes the hair, restores it, and prevents breakage. Now following that, I'm adding in peppermint oil. This oil is extracted from the leaves of the peppermint plant. When applied to the scalp, it creates what's described as a tingling sensation that cools the scalp, improves circulation, and stimulates growth. I'm adding in 1 tablespoon to this recipe. Next up is a fave. It's coconut oil. This is a staple oil used repeatedly in my hair care regimen. It moisturizes dry hair, adds shine and softness to the hair. I'm dropping in 1/3 cup. And the final additive is organic hibiscus powder, which is extracted from hibiscus flowers native to tropical regions. It's a popular herb commonly used in Ayurvedic recipes. Now, outside of its beautiful appearance, hibiscus has immense benefits for the hair. I'm using 2 tablespoons for this recipe. Now, hibiscus is rich in vitamin C, strengthens the hair follicles, combats hair loss, prevents split ends, and as a result, it creates a healthy environment which promotes healthy hair growth. As you can see here, as I'm mixing it with only a spoon, it has a very healthy gloss, which is absolutely gorgeous. You can blend it even more in a blender if you would like, but I was fine with this consistency, so I'm going to proceed to the application. For the application, I've divided my hair into 4 sections. Now here I'm using the Ozzy Moist Conditioner. It's another staple product of mine. And this product is just gonna allow for me to manipulate my hair a lot more easier. And I love this product. I rave about it in my wash day routine, so definitely check that out. But as I mentioned, it provides a lot of elasticity and it elongates my strands so that I'm able to easily manipulate my natural 4C hair. Alright, so I'm going to use this product to finger detangle before the application. So here is our hibiscus deep conditioner we mixed together, and I'm going to go ahead and start to apply that to my hair using this section right here. So I'm applying it with an application brush that you would normally use to color your hair, and I'm just going to stroke it down all of my strands. I want to make sure that I fully saturate each and every single strand, so I'm going to work in sections, focusing on my ends and also breaking up the section just to break through the middle and get all around the perimeter. Alright, and as I am applying this product, I'm noticing how well it is coating my hair and how smooth and just soft my hair feels as I am stroking and finger detangling. And it has to be a combination between the conditioner and the hibiscus, but I'm absolutely loving how my hair feels, how bouncy it is, how manageable it is. So I'm definitely loving this combination. Alright, so I'm going to secure this section with a 2-strand twist all the way down, and I'm just going to roll it in my fingers at the end. I'm going to go ahead and repeat this process along the rest of my strands. So in the next clip, I'm going to speed up the footage just to show you one more clip. So I'm demonstrating that same process on this front section here. I've lightly spritz it with water just to make sure that it has enough slip for me to get through this finger detangling session. And as you can see there, I did go ahead and add some conditioner first, and then I'm going to follow up with the hibiscus mixture. Alright, so I love to finger detangle with this conditioner. If you haven't tried Ozzy yet, definitely give it a try, especially if you have natural 4C hair. It has been a staple since day one. All right, and as you can see here, I'm applying the hibiscus around the perimeter of my hair throughout all of my strands, and I'm going to split this section into two, probably into three, just because it's a larger section. But I want to make sure once again that I fully saturate the sections as much as possible so that I can get this mixture throughout all of my strands. All right, so I'm all done with the application, and just as a finishing step, I'm taking this product and I'm smoothing it along my edges just to make sure that they are not left out in this process. All right, and that's it. So I've got enough product to do another application on my daughter's hair. As you can see, my hands are clean with just soap and water, so it came out just fine. So as you can see, I ended this process with a 20-minute steaming session. My hair felt so amazing once I was able to rinse this out. I don't have footage of that process just because I did not have time to film it, but my hair felt amazing after this application. So definitely try out hibiscus. Now, after I rinsed and completed my moisture routine, so definitely check that out right here. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.